This 1977 Lincoln Versailles might be the lowest mileage example in existence with just 29,000 original miles from new. This car is like a time capsule. It's in near showroom condition. It's immaculate inside and out, burgundy with beautiful burgundy leather interior. It's got a 308 V8 mated to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, and the car runs and drives excellent. Everything works as it should, and it's offered with its factory brochure and both sets of original keys. 1977 was the first model year for the Versailles, and it was Lincoln's answer to Cadillac's successful downsized Seville. It was only produced until 1980, making it a rare car with only 4 years of production. It's not every day that you come across one of these cars, let alone one with just 29,000 original miles from new, possibly the lowest mileage Versailles in existence. Don't miss out on this special and unique opportunity to own this rare collector-grade Lincoln.